What is the easiest way to find and replace text in 20 text files in a directory? I have 20 text files with various extensions in a directory. I want to replace NNN with U in all files. I could import them into a project in Eclipse or Visual Studio to replace them all, but that is overkill and would add other meta files, etc. What is a simple way to do this? I'm thinking, select all files, right-click, choose some tool called, for example, Quick Replacer, and fill in Find and Replace, click and done. Does anyone know of a tool like this?
Gremlin would do this among others, and it is an Explorer plugin. However, there is quite a big array of different applications available that can do this. This thread on the topic also suggests WinRep as an option.
Notepad++ can do it easily. Search menu, find in files, ... menu item. In Notepad++ 7.9.2. Go to File, Open Containing Folder. Folder is Workspace. Right-click on your folder and select Find in Files ... In Find in Files dialog, click on tab Find in Files and fill your keyword in Find What, then fill the replacement in Replace With, and click on Find All button to find all occurrences keyword in all files, or Replace in Files button to replace all occurrences of keyword with its replacement.
If you are familiar with Visual Studio, you can do that without creating a project. Do something like edit and GT, find/replace and GT, find in files. There you can specify a folder. I've done this many times. I'd say it's only overkill if you had to create a project you don't, or if you didn't have Versus installed and needed it only for this request.
Sublime, Ctrl+Shift+F. Replaces text in all open files, or you can specify particular folders by clicking. Afterwards, hit File and GT. Save all.
If you have dos pode dejar en el, las seguidas of streaming.